no sugar, no MSG, no paprika. So those are just some of the things that make me very proud to slap my name on some bottles and present these products to you. Being able to bring you flavors without sweeteners, without artificial enhancers, without any of those fillers that so many of these companies out here throw in their rubs to sell you flavor. We were able to come up with these flavors in collaboration with Patio Provisions and Whiskey Bent BBQ Supply, and just be able to bring you guys just true, authentic, unique flavors. Absolutely love the feedback that we've been getting so far, and I can't wait for y'all to check these out. These are also available in the TikTok shop, so you can click on the orange shopping cart below to get yours today.